Good afternoon, you're free to Lucia at Hastings Direct. How can I help you today? Hello, my name is Lucia.
My name's Elonte.
Hi, I'm Donna and I'm a repair and total loss case handler. Basically, when someone makes a claim, I will take ownership of that claim when it comes to me and take the person down that repair journey or total loss journey.
We are constantly challenged every single day, and at the end of the day, it's just nice to get that feel good.
The days just fly by, always talking to the customers and getting all their claims dealt with as quickly as possible. So I joined in September 2022. We started off with 4 weeks of training and 6 weeks of academy. The 4 weeks of training is really getting to know the role, getting to know the company, meeting everybody. The academy side of things is where you really get hands-on and you can really get a feel for how it's going to be when you come out of academy.
You get to see case handlers at work. You can actually view their screens, their calls.
I love working for Hastings Direct. It's a brilliant company to work for, a lot of support around you from colleagues, team leaders and managers. The reason that I wanted this role so much is because I knew how much progression there was and that you could get being at Hastings Direct.
I have been here 15 years and it speaks for itself really. I think when I first started, the company was a very, very small company, and as the years have gone on, they've got bigger, better. So yeah, I am excited for the future.
So if you're thinking about applying, this is coming from someone who worked in a supermarket, doing night shifts. It's amazing. The flexibility, being able to work from home. I have had nothing but support and I would definitely recommend working for Hastings Direct.